the Instant Pot Pro. This is the newest model. This Instant Pot is 1200 watts and 6 quarts. It's also available in 8 quarts. The inner pot is stainless steel and has silicone handles. It has a flat bottom, and you can cook in this pot on the stovetop, electric, ceramic, gas, or induction. The outer pot has a stainless steel exterior, handles, the heating element is on the bottom. There's a lid holder, which is convenient and saves space, so you don't have to look for a place on your counter to put that hot lid. The condensation collector is in the back and will have some liquid in it after cooking. It collects liquid that flows from the condensation rim. This is the steam release valve, where steam comes out when you release pressure after cooking. The steam release cover. The cover should be on top at all times. The quick release switch. Push to vent after cooking is done, and the pressure inside will be released. The newer models have this switch, which is really easy and away from the steam release valve, so steam won't be near your hand. When you close the lid, it automatically sets to seal, so you don't have to remember to do that. The red float valve pops up when the unit comes to pressure. It goes down when all the pressure is released. On the control panel are the smart programs: pressure cook, rice and grain, steam, saute, slow cook, sous vide, yogurt, and bake. This is the control dial that you turn to choose settings and then press to confirm your selection. After you select a program, choose the pressure, low or high, set the time, and press start. The time will be displayed and counts down once the unit reaches full pressure. There are 5 favorite buttons. After you set time and temperature for cooking, press one of these buttons and hold for 3 seconds to save that setting, and you can just press the button next time. When you press a smart program, the default pressure and temperature will be displayed. You can adjust it depending on what you're cooking. The keep warm button, if it's on, after time is up, the unit will be in keep warm mode. You can also turn that off. There are many options under each program. Under rice, there's white and brown rice. For slow cook, there's soup, chicken, beef, and beans. Sous vide, chicken, beef, and egg. Bake, there's cheesecake and bread. These are preset times and temperature. You can change them depending on what you're cooking. To turn the sound off, the unit should display off. Press and hold the dial for 5 seconds, and then turn the dial to choose Celsius or Fahrenheit if you want. Next is sound on or off. Press the dial to make your choice. The cancel button, press to cancel any program. Now I'll make a chicken curry and use the saute function. Press saute high and 30 minutes. Don't use the pressure cooker lid with the saute function. You can buy an Instant Pot tempered lid like this one. Once hot is displayed, you can start cooking. Add oil. It'll heat up right away because the pot is very hot. Cumin seeds, cardamom, cloves, bay leaves, cinnamon, star anise. Add some chopped ginger, chopped onion, a little salt. Saute that for 2 minutes. Add some chopped garlic and saute everything until golden brown. While sauteing, you can change the temperature. Press the dial and choose high, low, or custom 1 to 5. Add chopped tomatoes. I'm also adding a little water because the pot is still really hot. Add the chicken legs. I've put shallow slits in them and marinated them in spices. Hit cancel. Put the lid on. Pressure cook for 30 minutes. It took 10 minutes to pressurize. Release the pressure. This time I remembered to put the cover on, and it is very useful. The chicken's cooked, but there is a lot of liquid. Press saute and you can boil off some of this liquid.